आम्ही तुमच्या सदा
सदैव
सदैव आभार राहील.
Madam Kaur started her career as an advocate and practiced for around 23 years. Her ladyship served in various capacities as panel counsel of Delhi High Court, senior panel counsel for Union of India before CAT, additional standing counsel, and so on. Madam has got a vast experience in the legal field, not only in service matters, but also in arbitration matters, matrimonial disputes, and family matters. Her ladyship joined CAT on 21st March 2022, and till date she has been serving as Honorable Member Judicial of CAT Mumbai Bench. Words are not enough to express her contribution to this organization. I am sure whatever the future holds, her ladyship will excel in it undoubtedly. We, the officers of CAT and staff of CAT Mumbai Bench, wish Madam Oberoi all luck and prosperity in the days ahead. May you always meet good people and make the best memories. I now request the Honorable HOD Sir to present the Honorable Member with shawl and memento. I now request the BPS Madam to give the bouquet of flowers as a token of our love to Honorable Member.
my esteemed sister and all the staff members. My posting order was passed in the month of August 2022, and I got a call from Mrs. Oberoi about 8 days before my joining, and the first thing she said that I am very talkative. So I felt at ease that I have someone with whom I can share my views and who can be of some assistance to me. And from day one, she has been a support for me. Whatever we did not meet often, but whenever we met, we had a very healthy discussion. And we will be losing a very good officer. So it is our loss, but it is again of PB. So I wish her the way she has functioned here as a member. I am sure we will continue this streak at Delhi also. I wish her good luck and all the best of luck for our future endeavors. With this I conclude. Thank you.
The Registrar, CAT Mumbai Bench, officers of the registry, and my dear friends. Before I joined here, I was, as you all know, serving as a advocate, practicing. And during my practice years, I had the opportunity to visit or to appear in many courts, not only restricted to Delhi, but also Jaipur, Chandigarh, even up till Hyderabad. Jodhpur I appeared in High Court as well as before the tribunal. So I never had the opportunity to come to Mumbai on a professional front, you know. Personally, I had visited once or twice, but never professionally. Now, when you are after initial years of my practice, initially I had been on the civil side, also doing criminal. You do as an advocate, you just take up whatever matter comes to you. But slowly I found more success in service matters. And I think towards the last 10-15 years, I had a daily cause list of 20-25 matters appearing in the tribunal or high court, even Supreme Court service matters. Now, when you are practicing in the principal bench, you come to know about other benches also, how they are functioning and stuff, you know. So it's not that I was aware that there is a Mumbai bench and how it is, working and it was considered as one of the better benches among the other benches. So when I got the offer and I was asked to join in Mumbai, so I was very much excited. Yes, this is one place I have not seen and this is one of the better benches, so I'll get a good opportunity to work there. So I was very excited and I accepted the offer very happily. So when I reached here, so our old building was so shabby. I'm being very truthful. So it was kind of a little let down, you know, because we were used to, you go to Chandigarh, you have a new building there. You go to Jaipur, CAT, you have a new building. And principal bench was a new building. So it felt little this, but I think it was an initial hiccup. And slowly I kind of adjusted, or my journey here smoothened up, and I became quite happy here. Unfortunately, there were certain events at home, so I had to request the Honorable Chairman for transfer due to my conditions that certain events had taken place. I am grateful to him for having accepted my request. But by the time now that order has come, I am having mixed emotions today. So I have now, I feel that, the amount of, when you are on the bench, you take time to understand not only your own staff, but the lawyers, when they appear regularly, then you come to know, this is their trick, okay, we have to get above that trick. So it takes some time. So I have now now I feel that again I'll have to, be a new bar. So things have changed now. Anyways, yes, one more thing. The highlight of my tenure here was the inaugural function. As an advocate, and being on the, initially as a panel counsel, then as an additional standing and even standing counsel for Food Corporation in High Court, and I have attended many such functions. But the finesse, the manner in which the inaugural function, and I think it was the hard work of the entire staff, and a big applause for the registrar. Under the able leadership and guidance of Honorable HOD. One more applause.
The Honorable Chairman.
I feel lucky that I could witness that function here, attended by so many VVIPs, and the way it was conducted, it went clockwork, without any hitch. So that was a highlight. And by the time when we shifted to the new premises, so things were very, very comfortable. And on one side, I am happy that I am going home. It is kya ghar wapsi. But definitely there is a bond which has been created, and it is there. And I will miss all of you. I have to. This will be incomplete if I don't mention my staff, Milan and Deepthi. They were absolutely impeccable. They have really assisted me so well that there are no words to. Of course, I can't forget Sundaram. He has gone to a better place, but he also was. Then Karuna. If the ladies were not there, I would not have been able to function here. Karuna and my driver Rohan, he is also, and of course Rane, he orchestrated and everything, my visits to Siddhi Vinayak, and he explained the culture. So that was one aspect which, so big applause for my staff, please. So at the end, I'll say that let's hope that our paths will cross again. We will meet again, and I wish you all the best. Good health, happiness, prosperity, and hope to meet soon. And one more thing.
You have to seek transfer here.
So they can also come to Delhi, sir. We are meeting. Meeting and getting it. So, आम्ही तुमच्या सदैव आभार राहील.